Hello, hi everyone. This is Mayank, and we are going to explore our publisher platform. It's a newly launched platform. We have upgraded a lot of features. So today I'm going to give you a end-to-end walkthrough of this platform. To get started with the platform, you need to click on the Get Started button, or you can just simply click on the Login or Sign Up button. It will redirect to your, our central SSO system. You can create your account if you don't have any Mirats Group account. If you already have, you can just simply log into the account and just go ahead. Once you log into the account, you will be showing case your workspace setup. Uh, in workspace setup, you can put your organization name. Just for example, I can put Atomos Tech and the country of origin, so for example India, and then the legal name of the organization. So for me it is private limited, or you can say IT services. Corporation number, you can enter CIN number or your corporate identity number. Over here I'm just typing random numbers over here. Tax type, so for example in India you can search for your tax ID. Over here I can just put something. In the billing address you can put your number one, so for example it's Andheri East. Country again, and state is basically Maharashtra, and then I'm choosing it. And then I can click on save, or you can just skip for now. Once I click on save, you can see you have a nice little dashboard. On the left side you can see reports, project, team members and invoices. Over here you are going to get your reports on the terms of hits, completes, every CPI, and all the approved, and your revenue will be displayed over here. Next is projects. Project section is where we are going to work, but before that you can add your team members. You can invite your team members from over here. You can just assign a particular role to them, and then add them. Next is basically your invoices. So over here you need to have few things mentioned over here. So you can click on fix now, and you will be redirected to the settings page. In the workspace you can fill your bank information and your finance information, and things will be okay over here. Apart from this, let's go to the projects tab, and let's start working on a particular project. So over here project basically means your web application. So for example, if you are having any blog spot, or you are having any blog, or article, and you want to earn from your website or your blog, you can just simply click on a new add project. I can simply add a new project. I can name it, for example, chess hub. Make sure you provide proper name of the application, and it's my web application, so I can just simply put the URL and create a new project. Once the project is created, you can go into the site. So you can see that right now you are on test mode, and you have to reach out to our team in order to get an approval on this particular project. So let me just approve it from the backend, so that you can see a lot more applications or tabs. So now I have given the access. Let me just refresh this particular page. Now in order to make it something up here, you can say I can just adjust some of the things and put update. Once I click on update and do something, or put your redirects, you can be showing multiple options over here. And over here you can get your premium surveys directly, and from this premium surveys you can select any particular survey. You can see the qualification over here with the right options, you can say. And the quotas are also present, so you can profile them at your end directly. So there are lots of surveys and campaigns available. You can click on any one of them, go to the qualification page. You can see, you can put see the quotas, and you can click on generate link. The link will be generated, and you can integrate directly. Another way of integration is to directly go to the integration guide. You can click on the uh, view docs. Once you click on the view docs, you will be getting a particular documentation page. You can click on the API references, and then if you click on the API references, you can see the get all live survey, get single survey, qualification, and generate survey link. These are the four endpoints we have provided. If you have to try it right over here, you can click on try it. You need a publisher authentication key, you need a authorization key. So you can see over here the secret key and web API key is provided over here, and you need to put them over here. The web API key will be over here and the secret key will be over here, and then the country name and rest you can filter. You can click on send, and the data will be look something like this. So this is it. You can go ahead and explore the premium survey. You can explore the multiple options over here and start working on your dream project. Thank you very much.